Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
We had a lot of scattered showers and storms today and even into the evening hours, but the last batch of this is now moving into the viewing area. I kind of thought these showers would be out of here by late evening, but the last of these are hanging on a little bit longer, so we'll still keep at least a few showers and perhaps a thunderstorm in the forecast. Into part of the overnight, then later on tonight, this is all gone, and then we're just going to have to put up with some areas of fog. But there's precision right now. You can see some of the showers down here in our southern counties, and there may be a little embedded thunder and lightning at times. Lightning tracker activated, not showing any, at least at the present time. Attica over towards West Lebanon, Rainsville down to Veedersburg, some scattered showers. Moving towards Crawfordsville and eventually Lafayette, West Lafayette, a few spotty showers. In eastern Benton County over here towards Monticello and also west of Roselawn, but notice how this is the back edge of it all. And as the warm front lifts northward, we'll get into kind of this clear area, if you will, later on tonight. After some places this evening, boy, parts of White County got over an inch of rain. We had a half inch here for the day at the TV station in Jim and Kentland. 4/10 of an inch, much less as you head southward. So after the rainfall pulls out of here and the areas of fog burn off tomorrow, we'll have a near record warm Friday with pretty high humidity, but at least a brisk south to southwest wind. And it still looks like a potential line of storms on Saturday. Tonight, though, we're all in the 60s, 65 Rochester, 66 Lafayette, 67 Fowler. You know, the average high temperature for this time of year is about 70, 71. We'll be close to that for an overnight low. 84 degrees tomorrow at Logansport, 86 Lafayette, Monticello, Brookston, and even 87 Fowler to Pine Village and 88 at Morocco. High-res futurecast broadening out a little bit. Any fog will burn off in the morning, and then we'll watch severe weather. Well, not only tonight, but also tomorrow up here in Iowa. Large hail, damaging winds. And then it really starts to crank up in Iowa later on in the day with a tornado threat as these storms blow up. And a little line of storms forms all the way down into Oklahoma. Now notice how we're okay with mostly sunny skies. Once we get into tomorrow night and specifically early Saturday morning, the line of storms kind of fades away a little bit. It will be in a weakening mode, but it may re-intensify once we edge closer at about noon or 1 on Saturday. This is about noon on Saturday. You can see a line of storms forming to the west, and then by evening there's a line of storms pretty much hugging the state line and moving into our western counties. This particular model has it around 6 o'clock, 6:30. It pushes through the viewing area, and by 9 or 10 it's in our eastern counties pushing away. We'll clear out, we'll cool off, and then some of these low clouds will pivot in on Sunday. It'll be much cooler. Severe threat is west of here tonight, tomorrow night. On Saturday, it's through the viewing area as the line of storms comes through. The main threat would just be some swaths of damaging straight line winds. Otherwise, it cools off in a big way. The 62 on Sunday, the 65 Monday. But it does warm up to 74 Wednesday, and then we could get a little rain later on next week. And after that, much cooler, perhaps even a little frost on the way as much cooler air comes in behind a second front. So we'll watch Saturday. Right now it does look like a line of storms, and there'll probably be at least some sporadic swaths of strong to severe straight line winds with the line.
All right, well, the frenzy at least looks good for tomorrow night, which is exciting.
Yeah.
And Purdue's off next